Few snacks have achieved the level of popularity and recognition enjoyed by Flamin Hot Cheetos. Known for their bright red color, intense seasoning, and spicy kick, these crunchy snacks have become a favorite among millions of people around the world, especially myself. Wow. Flamin' Hot Cheetos are a product of the Cheetos brand, which is owned by Frito-Lay, a division of PepsiCo. The spicy version was introduced in 1992 and quickly became one of the company's most successful products. For many years, a popular story claimed that a janitor at Frito-Lay named Richard Montañez invented Flamin' Hot Cheetos after pitching the idea to company executives. While Montañez did become a successful executive and motivational speaker, later investigations by Frito-Lay found that the original product development team had already created Flamin' Hot Cheetos. However, Montañez is still credited with helping promote spicy snack products and connecting with Hispanic consumers. What makes Flamin' Hot Cheetos unique is their combination of cheese flavoring and spicy seasoning. The snacks use ingredients such as chili pepper, spices, and flavor enhancers to create its signature taste. Over the years, the brand has expanded into numerous varieties, including Flaming Hot Crunchy Cheetos, Flaming Hot Limon, Flaming Hot Puffs, and even collaborations with other snack brands. Their popularity has also inspired countless recipes from street food creations to restaurant menu items. Flaming Hot Cheetos have become more than just a snack. They're a part of pop culture, frequently appearing in social media trends, music references, and viral food challenges. Their popularity has remained strong for decades, making them one of the most successful spicy snack products ever created in the United States of America. Today, millions of bags are sold every year, proving that a simple combination of crunch, cheese, and heat can become a global sensation. If you enjoyed learning about the history of famous foods and snacks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also follow for more fascinating stories behind everyday products. Thanks for watching.